This is a brand new 2015 Scion TC. This coupe has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, external temperature display, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, LED taillights, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Don McGill Toyota of Houston is located at 11800 the Katy Freeway, Interstate 10 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.